Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable calendar permissions on Samsung Galaxy. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click this settings. In the nearest settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this security and privacy, and then click. So we are at security and privacy, and then next. Then again, you need to select this privacy settings and then click again. So here at privacy, and then next step, you can say this permissions manager and then click again. And then here at permissions manager, and then you need to select this calendar and then click. Alright, so here at calendar, and then apps with these permissions can access your calendar. So then you can select those apps if you want to allow or not. Alright, so you can say this all those apps. And then for example, you need to select these apps. And then if you want to allow, then select allow, or don't allow and then select don't allow. Alright, so select allow or don't allow. That's the changes of these calendar permissions. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device tutorials. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.